What's up, guys? Thank you for coming back for another video. First I want to say sorry for the audio from the previous video. I know it was a little bit choppy, messy, and bleh. But since it was raining outside, I couldn't help but try to fix it. I don't have the best microphone for my camera. But for this, today, as you saw, we're going to be working on the Pink Slayer helmet. This model was actually 3D modeled by 3D Command Center on Instagram and Facebook. You can find his links in the description below. That way you guys can order one of these helmets from him, or you can actually commission him to 3D model. And it doesn't even have to be, Kamen Rider Sentai. It could be anything else. Trust me, he is awesome at what he does. Alright guys, for this video, what we're going to be doing is actually going to add some Bondo to this helmet, because during the printing process, I had a little bit of a problem. There were some striation lines during the print. It kind of printed unevenly, but with Bondo and filling, this baby is going to be able to be fixed and look amazingly perfect. I might add a little bit of extra Bondo on the top, give it a little bit of a higher bevel in the little head area of the pterodactyl. I'm not going to be adding a visor to this one because I don't have the material for the visor. I was going to order it, but it wasn't going to get here in time because of the holidays. Three Kings Day, New Year's, and Christmas. Orders are a little bit backed up at the current moment. So what we're going to be doing is just making this whole completed helmet with the keys and everything, paint, prime, clear coat. And that's going to be what we're doing in this video. We're going to be doing it all in about 4 days. Luckily, the weather will be on my side because they say it'll be a beautiful week here in Puerto Rico. So let's get downstairs into my little workshop and start getting this baby primed. So let's go into a time lapse and then come back upstairs and talk about how it's coming along. Alright guys, don't forget, if you like these videos that I'm posting, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button, because I'm going to be bringing you more of this amazing content of props and armors. And if you do have a recommendation of something that you want to see built on a next future video, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, so we've done 2 days. Believe it or not, we're on the 3rd day and I've gotten this far. It took 2 days to do a lot of sanding because since the filament was very jagged here during the printing process, I decided to go completely with body filler throughout the whole 3D print, except for the mouth. Basically this was all with spot filler, so I went along with that. I used no filler primer on any of this. I didn't use any of it, and it came out pretty smooth. The next step in the process of this helmet is to put on the keys on the back, and I actually printed out a set right here. So what we're going to be doing is connecting them to the back of the helmet, so that way when we place it in there, it'll interlock with the front of the helmet. So let's go into adding these keys, painting this baby, giving it a nice shiny gloss, and see how badass she really looks. Alright guys, for these keys, the way I'm using it, I'm just going to be welding these pieces together. But for you guys, I would seriously recommend using some epoxy, because when you're using epoxy, it gives you that extra added strength. So use some plastic epoxy, it's actually good and strong. And then for just a secure reason, I would suggest welding the sides to the actual helmet itself. That way, just to give it that extra added security. Alright, Happy New Year guys! It's a brand new year. It is now January 1st. It only took 3 days to actually finish this helmet. I finished it by the middle of the day today. And here we have our fully finished Pink Slayer helmet from Boom Comics Shattered Grid. And I can honestly say it is very nice and shiny. Literally, it took about 3 to 4 coats of some lacquer. And I can honestly say it. I love the shine on this. It looks like flawless. Look how it glistens on my light. Shiny. It's so shiny, people. It's so shiny. I like shiny. But yeah, guys, if you guys love this file, I will recommend that you guys contact 3D Command Center on Facebook or on Instagram. Or you can even buy the file yourselves on STLs on Etsy by Nelly. He actually has the STL file, but if you guys do not have a 3D printer, 3D Command Center actually has a PDO file. For those who are working in Pepacura still, he actually has the file, so you can actually print those files out and make one of your own using fiberglass. I honestly gotta say, this is a really great helmet of the Pink Slayer. I've seen very similar designs by other 3D modelers, and some other people have actually drawn some art based on this character. One of the things that bothers me about this helmet, that the back piece is a little bit of problematic removing and putting back on. I actually have to try to maneuver it, kind of shimmy it into the back. But it's not a big problem. It's not a big deal. I'm sure there is a way. I just have to figure it out. Being able to, take it on, take it off. Even though I'm never gonna wear it myself. This is more of a display piece. For now, in case somebody in the future wants to have it themselves, they will have the option if they actually want to get this or another one made in their size if they have a smaller or larger head. But it is available if anybody does want to get this. You can contact me directly here on YouTube, or you can contact me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. All the links will be in the description below. But if you guys are new to the channel and you're wondering how to do these 3D printed helmets and you're wanting to know where to get the files, I actually do have videos that you can look into the cards right here on the side. I have a list of 3D printed videos that you can actually look into, and you can learn how I did the process of making these 3D printed helmets. But guys, I am so thankful that you guys have joined me today. I'm hoping that you guys have an amazing and wonderful 2019. Make the best of it, make your goals, and fulfill them. I'll see you guys here next week with another video, and who knows, maybe it'll be in Power Rangers or maybe something Sentai related. I don't know, but I will definitely be back here next week. So make sure that you guys are. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. If you like the videos that I'm making and you enjoy the time that you spend with me, don't forget to hit those 3 buttons. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, because if you don't hit that notification bell, you'll never know when I upload my next upcoming video. So you guys take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.